Hey, welcome fellow modelers. Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania. Here's a kit that I built several years ago. This is a Polar Lights. It's a snap kit. It's just a curbside. There's no engine in it. Of course, with the DeLorean time machine, that engine is kind of irrelevant. The main thing about it is all the time circuitry and the gadgets and gadgets that make it travel through time. This is a fairly nicely detailed kit for a snap kit. The body comes in that stainless, it's molded in that stainless steel finish, so you don't have to do anything with that. I have noticed over time, it's been several years ago, it is aging. It's showing, like, I don't know, it's like showing some kind of hazing and a little bit of, I don't know what's going on with it. It's kind of look like it's oxidizing or something. But it's been built quite a while. Of course, all the moldings and all that, that's all stuff to detail paint. All the tubes and transistors and plumbing. And I put the Mr. Fusion on mine because I wanted the one at the end of the first movie. I have the kits for all the other versions. The flying one, when they made it fly, and then the, what were the other two? Oh, the one when he went back in the last movie, the beginning of the last movie, and the end of the last movie. There's two different versions. The one with the train wheels, that's the very last version, and the beginning of the third movie with the wide white walls and the steelies and the transistor tube and everything on the hood. I have those kits. I want to put those all together. I want to have the whole collection. But I got this one done quite a while ago. There's a lot of detail. There's all the wiring on the dash. As you can see, there's even the old school alarm clock that they had up there on the dash. The flux capacitor is back there on the back wall of the interior. It's all there in detail. You're not going to be able to see it with the cameras and the lighting, but I assure you it's in there. The other things that's pretty much it, just all the painting. The underside, let me see if I can pick this up. It's detailed on the bottom a little bit, as you can see. I did a little bit of contrast painting with these shields and the electric fans and the transaxle and axle boots, things like that. So that's all there. It's all there underneath. It's molded in. Fun kit, especially if you just want to do a lot of the detail painting. I recommend it, especially if you're a Back to the Future fan. And that's it. It's one of my favorites. So I plan on building all the other ones. It is showing its age, though. It's been up on the shelf quite a while, even though I keep it stored in those, little cube acrylic cases, like this one. This is the one it actually sits in all the time. One like this. So it's always in a case like that. That helps keep the dust off it. Kind of helps keep the humidity. Even in Florida, even with air conditioning, you still have humidity. And I know that's what affects a lot of stuff on your models. The chrome and probably like this finish on this body. And yeah, I like these Polar Lights kits. Polar Lights does a pretty nice job on their snap kits. The detail that's in them. They're some of my favorite snap kits. I never used to like snap kits much, but especially when I was younger, I always avoided snap kits like the plague. I just wasn't. I didn't give them any respect. I give them a lot of respect now, especially when you don't want to get into a whole lot of heavy building. And there it is. The first version of the Time Machine DeLorean. So, thanks for stopping by. Keep building models. Have fun doing it. As always, if you like this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit like if you like this. Leave comments if you have comments. I always try to answer, get back to any comments, and come back when you can. Plan on having more stuff. So, till next time, catch you later.